Welcome to today's class. We are going to deal with Nya Asem Hwe from City Boys. If you are a new member to this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, leave a comment, subscribe, and then give a thumbs up. Let's pick up our guitar and do the needful. Nya Asem Hwe was played in E flat. So we are going to have something like we are playing J sharp major and then J minor. So if you can listen to the song well, let's take the introduction. The introduction played like this. I take it again. And then the rhythm follows. Guitarist plays something like this. Then the rhythm continues. So guys, this is for Nya Asem Hwe by City Boys. Find the song, listen to the song very well, and then follow this video. You can play it so easily. It is as easy as ABC. We'll meet next time for another interesting lesson. Thank you.